Alright, welcome back my good people. Today I'm explaining price action. Most of the time I've been using this strategy and I have not bothered to explain. So this is a full detailed explanation how you should do this. Now, when you're doing this price action, I would always want you to start from the H4. Yes, even my other strategy, I always encourage my members to start from the H4 basically. So H4, as you can see, I made this trend line and this support area, as you can see over here. You always have to find out these key areas and mark them out. Just look at the overall trend of this area. It is a downtrend, but as we can see here, it came below. Let me just explain to you what's happening here. So after a big downtrend, you can see it came to this area, retested and bounced off, and now it has retested, it has bounced off. As you can see, it has retested the same area. You can see forming a pattern. Just look, and these are price action. These are patterns we always see, and those like trading apps, trading everything, and you just don't. But you can see what is forming, and it has broken below. So you can take a look at it is a small account, and I always tell my traders, the ones I mentor, not to when you have a small account, it is always advisable for you to at least, with my own experience, $100 won't do you bad. As you can see, we have already doubled the account small. That is already at $100 plus. Now let's get back to the strategy. Now, always mark up these areas. You can see we had a big downtrend. What did it do? Retests, and you can see. So I put here, let's go to H1, H4. So I go to the H1. What do? You're still marking up the zones, but you can see now, respectfully, it came. Just look at how this is how strong this support line is. Very strong around. Just look, after bouncing off here, it came here, bounced off. You can see this is just amazing. And you can see now what it did here. You can see clearly what the pattern did here. So now back to this area, and always people who I trade with, I always tell you to get your entries on the M30 and the M15. It's where you always get your entries. Now look, on the M30, I decided to mark up this trend line downwards. Why? Because I knew there was a big resistance up here. I just want you to pay attention to this. If you're able to rule out these zones on your own, yes, you will become, at least this is like giving you an insight, simple knowledge on price action. So this is what it's going to do. It came here, so this is the strong zone. Let me just try to zoom it out. You see? So once it's coming on a downtrend, there's a zone here, retests, creates a M, that is going already for a downtrend. Now look at this zone. It came, broke through, retested, and boom, it came down. Now look here. There's this zone again. Look, You see, look at that zone. Below this, it has retested. As you can see around here, it has retested. So that means we are going for a downtrend. So we are looking at around this area again. Our area of interest is going to be going to be around this area. Our next area of interest, our take profits, will be landing around this area, our take profits. So basically, use this knowledge plus my free strategy I gave out on the channel. In fact, I don't know, let me just continue with this video, because it's also part of my free strategies in this channel below. You have to check, yes, because it is a very, very good strategy. Always start with the H4 when you're analyzing, and for you to be a good trend trader, you always have to start with the H4, so that you know the general look of the market, and then you go slowly below. That's when you can get all the bottom line of all these. With that, as you can see, right now so far I'm doing you can see the half. I've already doubled the account. So right now what I'm going to be doing is this last week I didn't trade. I was quite busy, but as you can see, at least this week I want to make sure that I give just educational content. Please comment down below what you want to know about this a strategy put aside, because I have my paid strategy, but right now I'm just working on free stuff. Yes, giving everyone at least a chance to get something out of this. Thank you so much. Bye for now.